Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm doing a bunch of unboxing videos, and in this video I'm doing unboxings of Lattafa fragrances. I have 4 Lattafa fragrances right here to unbox. We're gonna go one by one. We're gonna sniff, give first impressions, go over all of them, and then give a second impression on basically after they dry down a little bit, and then that's it, move on. This should be generally shorter than my normal videos because I'm not going in depth on any of these fragrances. I'm just talking about them as they are, no wear time, none of that. Just a general, what's the vibe check on these fragrances. The first one is Raghba Wood Intense. This fragrance originally caught my attention because of a TikToker who talked about this scent and talked about how, I believe it's similar to Reefa. Maybe? I'm not 100% sure. I know he said it was similar to another fragrance that apparently is very popular, but this one has like its own vibe that made it good. I don't remember which fragrance it was. I think it was Reefa, but I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that. So we're gonna open it, give a sniff test, and go about our business. So this came out like that, and this is a very basic bottle. Let's do a sniff test. Is this supposed to smell like Reefa? I don't smell. Not, the original smell was fascinating. That original scent, that original blast was fascinating. I really liked that. I really liked it. It was like a almost burnt sugar and smokiness together. It was very cool. Okay, so this is going more the Amir Al Oud vibe, but spicy. It's like a spicy Amir Al Oud general vibe. I don't know what the notes for this are. I'll look them up very quickly, but that's the original vibe it's giving me. It's giving spicy, it's giving me woody, it's giving me like that Amir Al Oud type of vibe. No, they said it was by the fireplace, like Amir Al Oud. Cool, great. So it's supposed to be like the fireplace, but better, but it has a caramel note. Now I remember. Never mind. Ignore everything I originally said. Yeah, this is, now I get it. Now I got the whole thing. It's not supposed to be like Reefa. Now I have to put that out of my mouth. Yeah, so this is supposed to be more like by the fireplace, but with a more prominent caramel note. And I got that completely. That's why I got confused at the beginning. Yeah, so this has a very prominent like burnt sugar caramelly note, but it does have that Amir Al Oud vibe. So it's like Amir Al Oud, but sweeter and more caramelly. Oh, it's really good. That's a good vibe. This is a good vibe. If you haven't tried this out, this is a good vibe. We'll see what it's like when it dries down a little bit more. But that's awesome. I'm surprised this isn't more popular. Next one, Qaed Al Fursan White. I don't know if it's white, but it's the white bottle. Unlimited, it's called. Qaed Al Fursan Unlimited. That smells like very fruity, almost creamy, bright, fruity, creamy. That's very good. I like that a lot. What does it have? Yeah, I was like, that's good. Like coconut and pineapple. That smells really, really good. I wouldn't say piña colada. Yo no creo que esto huele como piña colada, but it smells really good. That is a vibe. Why isn't this more popular? Why aren't these more popular? These two are so good. Why is Lattafa so good? Like I've tried French Avenue in previous unboxings. French Avenue. I've tried afnan. I've tried those. And Lattafa is a killer. I love Lattafa so much. It's such a vibe. Like I'm a Lattafa fanboy, honestly. Like Lattafa, French Avenue, those two are my like top choices, and then the other ones. But I don't know. I'm a fanboy, but this is really good. Like Qaed Al Fursan White or Unlimited is really good. So let's move on to brother and sister. I dropped the box. His Confession and Her Confession. So let's do Her Confession first. So this opens up like that to reveal this bottle. This is an iconic bottle at this point. That is very cool. The only thing I don't really like is that this is a bright gold, and then the one in the face, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Yeah, the one in the face is not reflective, so it feels odd. This feels incredibly cheap. This smells sweet. This smells creamy, slightly floral. Her Confession, yeah, so sweet, vanilla, slightly floral because it has tuberose and jasmine. It's good. I like it a lot. Kind of like mysteriously feminine but sweet. I like it. I would wear it because it's not super feminine. It's just feminine enough to like give androgyny. I like that. That's a good fragrance. The next one is His Confession. Also opens up to reveal dude bro inside. He also is wearing a mask. I'm Batman. I can't see the notes, but this one smells bright, slightly woody, but bright. Is there smoke in this one? Let me see. Incense, that's where I'm getting the smokiness from. There's mandarin, that's where I'm getting the brightness from. And it's sweet. It's good. They're close in the sense that they're both vanilla-based scents. This one feels brighter, which is His Confession. Brighter, more smoky, more aggressive. Her Confession almost seems milky and subdued. It's really, they're both really good. They have really nice scent profiles. So I'm gonna go down the line again, give you my final thoughts on these as a second sniff, as that now that they've dried down just a little bit more. Raghba Wood Intense. God damn, this is good. This is like, Jesus Christ, this is like you're making caramel in a open flame, like in a campfire. You're making caramel in a campfire. This is fantastic. I love this one. This is 10 out of 10. Oh my God, love this one. I can't wait to try that one out. That is fantastic. Next one, Qaed Al Fursan Unlimited. This is really good. This smells coconutty, pineapple-y, kind of creamy pineapple. Sweet, but not overly sweet. It's indulgent. It's really good. This is very tropical. This could be an excellent summer scent. Like we're going into summer now, and this is super cheap, great summer scent. Her Confession, again, milky, florals, vanilla, a little bit smoky, a little bit subdued. This is very soft. This is very like chill. This feels very, I want to say feminine, but not feminine and like girly, more like feminine and like soft, calming. Feminine energy is what I'm saying, not feminine sex or gender, like the moon. You know what I mean? This gives us moon vibes. So this is very good. And this would be the sun in that sense. This is bright, this is aggressive, but also not super strong. It's bright, it's incensey, it's slightly woody, it's kind of spicy. Oh, it's also good. These were all bangers. I really like these a lot. Let's give a kiss. Under first impression, I really like these a lot. These were all bangers. I enjoyed these quite a bit. Are any of these fragrances one that you would like me to move up in the queue to have them review first? Let me know. As it is, I really enjoy all these. I'm excited to try them out in the future and see which one I really enjoy as a wear fragrance, because some of these change with time. Like at the 2-hour mark, some of these fragrances change drastically. Let me know your thoughts. Remember, the sense is subjective. What I like isn't necessarily what you like. And always remember to smell your best. See ya.